Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your laptop or phone to the smart Wi-Fi network. If you can't reach the router, use Ethernet. Once connected, open a browser or the router's mobile app and go to the router IP or cloud login. Make sure you have the admin credentials. If not, use the physical reset button after noting that resetting clears settings. You're doing this so you can securely change Wi-Fi credentials and avoid disrupting smart devices that rely on the network. Now navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings page and select the SSID you want to change. You'll see fields for security type and password. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 if available, then type a strong new password of 12 or more characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Once entered, hit Save or Apply. Make sure to update any separate guest SSID too. You do this to improve encryption and stop unauthorized access. After saving, most devices will drop and need the new password. Reconnect each smart device and update credentials in apps where required. If a device won't join, restart the router and the device, then try again. That clears DHCP conflicts. If you cannot access the router admin page, use the physical reset to restore defaults, then reconfigure SSID and password. Note resetting removes custom settings. One troubleshooting tip: if many smart devices fail, temporarily enable both 2, 4 and 5 GHz bands to ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.